it is possible to pursue a personal injury case and a workers' compensation case at the same time. It's an interesting concept because when a person who is working is injured on the job as a result of the actions of a third party. Now let's just think about that, because the first two parties are essentially the employee and the employer. So a third party is anyone else who's not the employee or the employer. If that person is responsible for the injury, then essentially they become the comp carrier. And it's sort of by operation of law, but here's really what happens. When you get hurt on the job, your employer has a responsibility, if certain threshold questions are satisfied, to pay you immediate benefits. And so ordinarily what you would expect is you would expect that they would pay wage loss benefits. They would replace the wages that they're losing because they're out of work, and they would pay their medical expenses. And what the comp carrier does is the comp carrier then establishes a lien for the benefits that they've paid for the on behalf of the injured worker. Then if there is somebody else who's legally responsible for that on-the-job injury, then the worker can bring a claim against them. And essentially what happens is if he's successful in his claim, then he makes a recovery against the third party. And then from the proceeds of that recovery, he has to pay back the amount of money that was paid to him by the workers' compensation carrier. So yes, it is possible to have both cases. And as a matter of fact, it's important to be represented by somebody who can handle both personal injury and workers' compensation cases. And here at ChasenBoscolo, we've been doing both of those things in all three jurisdictions, Maryland, the District of Columbia, and Virginia, for the last 33 years.